Well, it seems like Meta cannot stop trolling. Just 2 days before its big Connect event, where the company is expected to unveil its new products. Including the new Ray-Ban smart glasses, Meta has uploaded a video showcasing the very same product on YouTube. What's even more hilarious is that the video was set to private, but it was mistakenly made public for a brief amount of time before it was taken down. And as they say, screenshots live forever. So we have all the proof we need to tell you what is coming. One of the models is the new Ray-Ban branded smart glasses that will be called Ray-Ban Meta 2. And from the looks of it, it seems to come with a display. You can see someone wearing the glasses and interacting with what appears to be a heads-up display. It's not clear whether the display is a part of the glasses or something that is being shown separately, but we'll know for sure in 2 days. What's also interesting is that the video also shows a wristband that could be used to control the glasses. It's unclear if this is how the glasses will be controlled or if this is for something else entirely. But again, we'll have all the answers in 2 days. The other product that was mistakenly showcased by Meta is the Oakley Sphaera smart glasses. We don't have a video of this one, but we do have some pictures. And from the looks of it, it seems to be a pretty regular pair of smart glasses. The only difference here is that there's a camera on the bridge of the nose. Interestingly, these were also leaked a couple of months ago. And back then, the leaks suggested that these would be called the Oakley Radar EV Green 2.0. But clearly that's not the case. Since we already know how the original Radar EV looked, it's pretty clear that these are not the Green 2.0 version either. So I guess this is the final design, and it looks pretty good. Now it's unclear if Meta owns all of these brands, or if they're just using them. Either way, we're going to see these products in just 2 days. Also, this isn't the first time that Meta has mistakenly uploaded a video showcasing their upcoming products. A couple of months ago, we saw a video of the Quest 3 that was mistakenly uploaded by Meta, and it gave us a glimpse of what was to come. So it seems like this is just a part of their marketing strategy to create hype for their big event. And to be honest, it's working. I was going to make a video about this whole thing, but then I thought, why wait? Let me just wait for the official event and see what they have to say. So yeah, that's all the big news. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.